I'm going to tell you about the religion, the reality, the universal truth what is. It is since a long time people have been giving this uh, lectures about the God and its reality. And they could not catch the reality, what is the universal truth. They could not, and still it is going on. So I shall tell you the thing which is necessary, and it is what I understood. And it is universal truth. I am talking about not for the individual. Individual whatever think according to that. If you say think Mohammedan, he say God is Allah, yeah Muhammad. That's all. That it is his, not universal. It is for him, because it is a belief. So God, the religion is stand on the base of the faith and the belief. Faith, where your faith and your belief. So yesterday I told you about this. He is going here and there, and the God is within himself. What he is talking, that is the God. To how to realize it? It is to be perfect master who know it. He will tell you all, and you will see. Yesterday I told like that. And today what I am going to tell you about the deeds. There is three types of three deeds. First is the accumulated. Second is destiny. That is the past life's karma. And second is the current, whatever thinking we know. To say you try to understand it. What is past life? Whatever we did in the past life, whatever we did, or so we shall get. Whatever we give somebody else, so we will return. If we give him pain, he will give him pain. If he like his service, he will do our service. Give and take this year. So whatever you give, and that about that one has no idea at all. Suppose you are husband and wife and living happy, no doubt. And sometimes suppose that your husband is mind change, so he began to give you pain, and you have a master, living master, to whom you pray like that. You go and tell to him, they said, previously my husband was very happy, but nowadays he is paining me. Then he will he tell you that he is not husband. In previous life he give him some trouble, so he come to give the trouble. He getting revenge, so he is not. So what to do? You be polite enough, let him do. But if you say some bitter word, you can thank you, sir. You are very beautiful. Say it again, please. Say it again, please. So he will tell you a technique how to live with him. So you please him. Knowingly you know that he is giving trouble to you. But said, it is not your mistake. It is my luck. So if you don't understand, luck means the previous life I have given you trouble, you are giving me trouble. Don't bother about it. Don't escape it. Don't suppose that you go or I go. Go. That balance is brother. That you have not cleared the debt. You have not cleared the debt, because before that you run away and marry. Don't bother. The record is there. You are in debt. So in some time you will have to give that all. Understood me? So what is your past life karma? If you are troubled, there is the perfect master is only one who knows it about. If he will explain you, my daughter, you don't bother about it. Previous life you have given him trouble, so for that time he will give you the same. He take revenge. You don't bother. You tolerate it, so that you clear its debt. Whatever he given, you tolerate it, and that is right. So you will not worry about. If so, your wife is give trouble, your brother is give, then you tell to the perfect master, sir, my brother is not giving me pain. Then he will tell you, he explain you that he is not your brother. In the previous life, before this life, previous, you give him trouble. You give him trouble, very much trouble. He was enemy. And now he come in favor of the brother. Brother, you cannot do anything. He will do, so better to tolerate it and bear it. It means that what cannot be cured must be endured. What disease, suppose you have disease and there is no remedy for it, then you what to do? Bear it. what cannot be cured must be endured. So this is the thing. This knowledge will be a perfect master, and you pass this life happy. That he is not my brother, she is my sister. You go and then say, thank you, madam, thank you, madam. She say, you do this and this and that. Very well, madam, I shall do it. I shall do it. Knowing it, you do it. So you will clear your debt and be free. So this so knowledge who give? The present living master, not died master. So that you have previously a guru, and he died. No, he cannot give it. The present master will give you knowledge. So this was the regarding the first type of karma which we are bearing nowadays in this life. And what is the present thing? Present things, whatever we think, so it will be your luck. So will be your change in your deeds. So whatever thinking presently, no, we are thinking, you will suppose that this entire you born, sow this harvest, then you will not reap it now, after some time, in the next lifetime. So we are this for the present life. The present Guru will explain, present Master will explain you that you do one thing. If you want to be happy, since from today you begin to think positively. Always think good for all, and see the God in everybody, and all are better. And whatever they are doing, according to God is playing He game, He drama, He is acting in drama like that. So God is in you, and you are acting. So you tolerate it, and be careful. Never speak bitter word from your tongue. Always give pleasure to others, and never think evil to anybody. Whatever we think, so you will get. So be careful, and what you want. If there is no money, suppose in this life, He will say you earn money, and you will lot of money will you go born. So you think your thought, power in your thought, power in your thinking. What you think, godly power is there. You think that if I have a lot of money, I take this and give to the poor, this and that, and this and that, and so many things like that. I do good thing. If I have money, oh God bless me with money, you will get money. You will be wealthy ones in due course of time. And suppose whatever you want to be, so you think. If you want to be a leader in the political scene, then you have to lead. If whatever you want to be a scientist, you scientist. Whatever you will think, so you will get. So your thinking should be positive. He will tell in this life, if you want to pleasure in the next life and be satisfied for all round, then better to think like that. You desire for that thing, and a good thing, and always clear your heart, not to keep any net here. In Punjabi there is a song, a lady singing a song, and before his friend, lady friend, my sada naal hans ke nahi bolda, and my husband is not laughing and happy with me. My sada naal hans ke nahi bolda, gusse renda bulli. The name of his friend is Bulli. Gusse renda bulli, kundi dil di nahi kholda. Gusse rehta kundi dil di nahi kholda. There is net in. You not tell the truth. Keep something separate from me. No, understood you? So what to do? When in this life, we open the net all, not to keep anything secret. Not to think evil thing never. Be clear-headed, and when you are clear-headed, and in that you think, so it will be very difficult. If there is another thing, so clear your head and be happy. Always think that God is with me, God is to whom I conceal the thing. Why I conceal? Why I tell a lie? Why I give deceive to others? Whatever we give, so we have to take it. So the perfect master will teach you like that. So this is about the present thinking and how it is changed in the deed. When the thing is, you are think good, happy, then all everything you get here. Are you making the good luck? And if you are thinking negative, then the result will come in the unhappiness. Follow me? So something you are following, not completely. We are coming in the target, automatically you will understand this thing. This is the thing. Okay, what is the accumulated karma? Accumulated karma is so many karma, so many life. There is balance. And when you have knowledge about it, okay, this is nothing. This is nothing. Only a game. God is playing game like that. No karma. I did not make it. He was in me. Whatever I did, he is in, you in me. What you did, that you know it. I am not responsible for that. God is always with us. If we do something wrong and we have knowledge about it, then we don't bother about it. And all what else is the drama. You cancel all. So that is clear by knowledge. Knowledge is all and everything. And knowledge you will get the proper to whom we pray in the beginning. You are old, you are young, this and that, all knowledge, bandar of the knowledge, this and that, store of the knowledge, and this and that, all and everything. Thinking him like God. So for that we do. So there are three kinds of karma. Accumulated will go away with getting the knowledge. And those who which we are getting the destiny, prarabdha is past life, it means that we have to tolerate, or we have to be polite enough to tolerate it. Because it is what we have given, we take. That is this Siddhant. You give from this hand and you take another. Whatever we give to others, so we take this thing. So always we should do good thing and help others and give something good positively. So we will give it positively. Give and take us. That is the rule of the good, give and take. So that is, and the present is that whatever you want to be in this life, in the next life, you think always positively. If you want to be a wealthy man, for wealth demand. Oh God, bless me with lot of wealth, so that I use good and help to the people, those who are suffering, I help them. And to my dear and dear and give I that. So if you think like that, you will be like that. That is power in your thinking. The godly power is in man, and man do not know. And God is in him, talking, he is God. And we are searching the God here and there and this and there. I think you understood something. Get in. What would you?
If you want to tell, you tell please the story of the minister and wife.
Actually, I don't want to tell this story. I want to tell the reality, which I can prove you. But anyhow, they want to put an example so that they understand. There was a minister who was going to his home during daytime, year after day. There was on his street or his colony was, there was. So he was digging some pit in the way. Minister asked him, oh boy, why are you digging this pit? So he told, Minister, please, those who dig the pit will fall in that. Why are you worried, sir? Why are you worried, sir? Those who dig the pit, he will fall in that. Those who do bad, so he will suffer. Minister was very serious. The boy is very intelligent. I am minister in the government and know and everything. Everybody respect me. And he stopped, one talk to me. So, my son is not so intelligent, and he will not let my son to be a minister. So, how to make him away so that he do not obstacle. He do not stop my son to be a minister. He was thinking. After that, he thought, ill thinking come in him, and better to finish this boy. And if the boy is finished, let him die, make die. So he was going. After that, a thought coming. He went to his house and called the boss, same boy. But I want to imply you will give lot of money. You do my work. Well, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Happily. Well, I think. So from today, you are my servant and do work. 2-3 days he work, and then one day he called a butcher who give you meat. So there was a butcher. He called him and told the butcher that in the evening I shall send a boy. So what do you do? As soon as he come, you calmly take him and put in the dig and died and clear the sand over. Okay, okay, sir, I shall tell you. I shall do you as you like. So in the evening he called the boy and told him that I am happy to eat meat. So you go 1 kilo goats masala or something, bring that. Then the boy said, okay, sir. To whom such and such butcher is there, such a name, you go to him, approach and take it. But do not tell these things otherwise. Thank you, sir. When the boy was going in that way, minister's boy, he was playing some game and he defeat. So he returned his defeat. Just in the cricket, we go through the ball. When we defeat, then we go through the ball. And when we win, then we turn our Torah. So like that they were playing, he was defeated and he was returning his defeat. And he was tired. So seeing the boys, he said, he is my servant. Prasam, come here. Where are you going? But I am going to some sacred. He took him only and he said in the ear, it is sacred thing. Your father told me that do not tell anybody. So tell to me, but I am going to bring some meat for him. And he sent me for this such and such user. But give to me, you to go there, bring the, you return my defeat, do my work. And I am going there and bring that. Okay, sir. The boy went to, minister boy went to bring the meat in the place of that boy. And that boy began to return his defeat. At end, in the evening, when the minister was there, the boys coming there. Which were the boy other who was digging the pit. He was servant. See, you are here? Well, what about my work? But sir, I did there, but I could not go. Your son told me that you don't go. I shall go and you tell my. Oh my God! And he began to be loudly. That he called the butcher and asked him, sir, as soon as he reached to me, I did, or he began to cry. So this is the example they want to give, that those who dig the pit, he will fall in that. Those who make a net, supposing this and that, and he will, in the net, say him die himself. They wanted to put this example, they compelled me. Otherwise I don't want to put. I want to reality. I want to know. Whatever thing is with you, for you are suffering, I tell that thing. What for these people are suffering, I told that. In my meeting, I shall tell you that thing for which you are troubling, which you are facing daily. So there is no question for after that. I said the trouble is this, the reason is this, and the remedy is this. There is no question. So this is my job. But where I give this speech on the spiritualism, no question at all. Because I tell you what is the trouble, I don't know who is suffering for the trouble. From where I get it? From radiation. Radiation coming to you and from my side. So I receive, you take radiation, and I told, trouble is this, reason is this, remedy is this. Trouble is this, I don't know who is suffering from that. I have no knowledge, but I automatically tell them. And this is my काम. This is my test. So whatever the people is thinking, so I will tell you. So I today, what was the topic? Say that this is your topic today, deeds, 3 types of deed. Reserve, past life, the destiny, and the present. 3 types of deed. And whatever we did, whatever we think, so we will get. If our thinking is negative, we have to face the trouble. We are not happy. Because things are supposed that you think that you expect that lot of benefits must be in this area, expecting more. And when the result comes, you say, oh, that, how it is? You are unhappy. When the thing happens according to your wish, then you are happy. You are the maker of the happiness or unhappiness. and you have no knowledge about it. So always have a positive thinking. So you will get all these things positive. Thoughts, negative thought will come. But if you remember my word, whatever I think, I will have to live. Why I am thinking? Those who dig the pit, he will fall himself. As a minister, dig the pit for the birds, and he himself fall in that. Any question? So far, why I have told you, you ask any question.
Maharaj, can you see in your life, in our lives, what is the karma, the Sinchit karma, or the past karma? Can you see this?
Can you see his previous life and can you tell him what he has done in the previous life, past life? Are you able to see that?
I am not going to see your what you was in previous life, but I know the rule of it because seeing it. Men die, then where go? They come again. Men die and come again. It is natural. Otherwise, where from will the men come? You think that a man die, and there is no come other than this is very empty. The body is empty. The proof is that men die and come again, and this body is full of the man like that. Never empty. Die and other come, go and come, to go and come. So this is full of it. There is no less or more, sometimes less. If man die, where you go? Are you able to tell it? No. I have knowledge about it. Where he will go? He will come here. And where he will come? At the dying time, if he have some relative in front of him, he will come to that relative. If at dying time your friend came in front of you, you will go friend's house. So this is the way where dying time your memory became the shape and the desire idea of that, there you come. So this world is like this. And when you get the knowledge from perfect master, then you want to always be happy. Never die. Go to your own home. That your own home, from there you never die. They know that system. You come from the God, person of the God. If you return to the God, then you will not come. You go and mix there. You never return from there. So I have proof, and I know it all. Without proof, I do not talk it. All the proof. No, I do not go for that. Is Siddhi. That is Siddhi. I am above these all.
Siddhi means supernatural power.
Supernatural.
You will not use that.
I do not use that. If I use, then it means that I am deceiving the God. I am my God. I am a portion of the God, a part of the God. So I don't want to be God. Suppose it may be, everybody is there, but for that I have no knowledge. No problem, no yajna. I never think like that. I don't want any Siddhi. Here he said, Siddhi mangu nahi. Mangu tujhe ye, nitvoy darshan sadhaka puruje tujhe. I don't want the Siddhi, profit and labh and honey. Profit and loss, no. Whatever you like, you give. So I have, above than these all things. The Siddhi, whatever you want to know, if everybody, I do not go there. I will wander here. I am above it. Riddhi Siddhi. I have no Siddhi nor Riddhi. Happy, all the time happy. Suppose yesterday you offer me lot of money. From where you will bring? When you come, you empty hand, and when you go empty hand, you get from here, and it was the result of your thinking. Yes, whatever you think, so you are. You give me lot of money. From where? I have not seen such money. I know such pay. From where you there? You are in thought, your thought. This is proof. But I know why. Why are you giving to me and why are you giving to you? Because if you give all, you will get all. You have knowledge. Among them, you ask question, nobody is asking question. Why? You have desire for that thing, to know all and everything. Anything more? Very good question.
If he wants to know, so there is a way to know that.
Oh yes, very easy. If you want to know anything, you will know. You concentrate in that and you will see. If you want to what my wife is in previous life, what my wife, what friend, what is he, you will know it. You concentrate and concentrate, come here, and then the picture is before you.
I have one more question, please. Maybe you translate. I had one German teacher. He died 4 years before. He was 93. And this teacher could show the inner sound to
Yeah.
everybody. And he showed to me too, as he wanted. Is this a city?
Ah.
His previous guru said him some speech, give him some speech,
Yes.
and then do some siddhis, some supernatural power, and he start listening sound.
Ah.
So he wants to ask, is this siddhi, is this supernatural power? Can you do that?
No. I am over that. I never think that.
He is about
That is very little thing for me. That is nothing.
He is asking, is this siddhi, is that supernatural power? That he started listening sound.
Ah.
His previous guru gave him sound. He concentrated and started listening sound here.
That was the siddhi, but that was not in the guru. That was in your faith. Gentlemen, you have faith in that guru. He do this and that and that. That is why you have faith in that. So due to your faith, you realize it. But he has no power at all.
But when I met him the first time, I wanted to go away, not see him. He shake my hand, and I had sound. And then I come all the time. I not had faith.
When his previous guru was giving him speech, he didn't listen anything. But as soon as he shake hand with him, he start listening sound here. So
It is possible. But to whom you believe, you have believe in that guru. Those who do not believe in that guru, he will not touch it. That is your clear. And you believe him, that he may be such a power. You believe in him. That is. So your other gentleman is there, no fact in him. If you wish this, no, you can't do. Or if you do, after that, sometime he will be mental.
I brought 3 friends to him with good heart. They know nothing about this. And it was the same to these people.
he bring 3 friends of his own to the previous guru. They listened the sound, but they were not having faith in that guru.
So what is the thing? In your faith. Faith is all everything. If you have no faith, no other guru do anything. It is your faith in that guru. He is.
But it was his radiation. Because when he come only near him, when we near him was the vibration.
He is saying that was that his radiation, he was able to listen the sound. When I go to the previous guru, I started listening sound. But when I am away from him, I am not able to listen. Yeah? When he was close to his previous guru, he listened sound. But when he is away from his guru, he didn't listen any sound. So he is saying, was that his radiation? Because of that his radiation, he was able to listen the sound.
Radiation is there. Radiation, right? Because the things are going. Suppose there is a dog. He smell the cloth of the thief. Somebody has stolen something. Now, the trend is dog. Trained dog. So they smell the cloth and follow that way, and that catch him. This is common sense in him, dog. That is a lot to do to radiation, because they have no speaking power, this thing, nothing. So when the dog has such a sense and go there and he do. Suppose there is small ant here, and there is some corn, and very sweet to him. So the corn, the ant go there and get the corn and come back. So what is the sense is there in there? That takes. So some is sense, so that is radiation. The radiation of that and is there, and you put something and you find it out. So this is sense. So radiation is in everything. Radiation is giving everything. Somewhere is I have for the some perfume. And those who are good nose, they smell that. And those are Nose is not working, do not.
He always said, always come near me. You not understand why, but come near me. Later you will understand.
Say,
His previous guru said to him, you come near to me,
uh,
presently you are sleeping, you will not understand this,
Hmm.
but after some due course of time you will understand this.
same is happening, whatever he said, because in his mind automatically, to your radiation is going there, so your radiation is speaking that, not knowledge through different ways. I also do the same thing daily. People come to me and I automatically I say he this and this that. Or I know not about it. After that you told. So he told from himself. And but he have no knowledge about it. And the thing was happened, so this is happening. He could not, at that time you don't understand to him, and now you are understanding. It is future time, the radiation is that. It is daily work, my daily work is this.
And because I miss him so much, because without him I cannot feel it, now I'm here. And he said, Michael, before he died, I'm not guru. I'm only preparing for the next one to come, he said.
Yeah. His previous guru said that I am not a guru.
Hmm.
I am preparing you for future. Someone will come and give this experience to you. And Michael wants that experience now, forever. He wants to be always there in that sound. He needs that sound.
Whatever he said is automatically said.
No, he wants that sound again to listen. He wants it.
Oh, always sound is in you, there is no far from you. You be eligible for that. I told you whatever you have to do, listen the my talk, and that you act upon that, you will understand that the same become automatic. Now I am listening all the time. I don't want to listen, and still I am listening and touching with it. And when I see something else, I forget. Then I come to the level of the mind, thinking this and this and that. And after that, automatically I go to my place and happy. So sound is in everybody. Everybody is sound. Sound is life. Sound is the real life. The Guru इसको कहते हैं, God, all and everything. So that is the sound, and the sound is everybody in. But he do not, because you will be able to ability for that, then you will able. So you have ability now, and you are, and you bring for that you have to do like that, and for that it needs the time. I say due course of time. Due course of time. It means proper time. At proper time, this is proper time for you. You come from there. How much money you have invested for that? 2-3 times you came, and again you come, and no just you come. This is time for you. This is the due course of time.
I want to tell you something. The last time before he died, half a year before, he meditated with me. Maybe you tell him, because it's very interesting.
Okay.
It's the same like he says in Fakir Chandji.
Yeah.
And then he gave a lot. It was beyond light and sound. I can't it's undescribable.
Okay.
And then I asked him, is this God? He laughed and said, no, that's not God. That's the creative force. And then I asked him, is this from you? He said, no, it's from you. It's from your soul, he said. And then I asked him, why I cannot see it normally? He said, because you are sleeping all the time.
Yeah.
You must wake up one day. And then I asked him, why I can experience it now? He said, Michael, it's from you, but I channelize it for you. But I cannot do it all the time. It cost him life power, he said. Can you explain this? Maybe in Hindi.
He is saying that when his previous guru was dying, he gave him some experience. He said that this is the creative power, supernatural God's power, but you will not be able to listen this every time. I cannot do it for you every time. You have to do it yourself. This is coming from yourself,
From the soul.
from his soul. So he wants that experience again and again, so that he feels.
And it's important. He says the same like Baba Fakir Chand Ji and like Captain Ji.
Yeah.
He said, not this is from me,
Yeah,
I am
yeah.
Guru. He said, this is from you.
Yeah.
He said.
He is
"This
saying
from
that
yourself."
he is saying that his previous guru said, I am not doing this. It is your faith. I am not sending any sound to you. It is your faith that you are able to listen.
But he only
He was true man.
He only channelized it for this
He told you all everything, but you were not ready at that time. You are not know you are ready and know you are come to hit me. He was a true man.
When he let me drop, I was in normal, and then I said, why it's over? He said, Michael, I cannot do it all the time for you. You must learn by yourself.
So same thing I am doing same guru. Whatever you give beginning, that is not the same here by I am not other guru. Whatever your guru me one, God is one. So at that time he spoke in him and now he is speaking in me. And you are also the same category. When you understood, there is no difference in you and me.
But he was very honest, like you and Baba Fakir Chand. He said, not it's he. He said, Michael, it's from you. He said, it's from you.
He is saying that his previous guru was honest. He did not claim.
Yes.
He did not claim that he is doing this experience to you. He did not claim that. He did not take the credit. He was honest like you. He is saying that.
You are true man?
Yes.
He told true to you. He met a good guru, true, not here and there. But at that time you was not able to understand that thing. And know the ability is in you and you come here.
And he had four masters.
Hmm.
Four masters.
Yes.
And he never meditated on the picture on the master.
Hmm.
One master was Kirpan Singh, and I asked, can you talk with Kirpan Singh? He said, no, nobody can do this. No. And he only meditated on the pure Shak. That was his master.
Hmm.
He said, that is nonsense with the inner master.
Whatever he say?
He is saying that his guru was having four gurus,
Yes.
and he never meditated for their roop, for their form, physical form. He always meditated in light and sound.
Yes.
So he said that this is the power of God.
That I have told in you in that meeting,
Yeah.
when you meeting, that the light and sound is all and everything.
Yes.
I told you, you have remembered. You put question like that. I replied that.
Yesterday he asked me a question why I was leaving him to hotel.
Yes.
That if I make a guru like you, and he died, he dies in 2, 3, 4 years after some time, then do I need to make another guru or he will give me some?
Guru never died. God never died. It's always, it is safe, it's changing. Guru Gyan means your knowledge is never died. So Guru means knowledge. Knowledge never died. Do you follow me? God never died. And those who he died, that is why you come here. And you that he is alive. And I am the same man to whom you talk. I am same man which you talk, you listen the talk in somewhere. I don't know where it was. Some gentleman was holding that and I giving some talk and he asked me a question. And I told him light and sound is all and everything. For that, this question. So Guru never died. Guru is always. Always here. God never died. He is always. Where? In you, in me, everybody. He is playing, suppose that he is a sun. His rays are here. The same way, the Guru, the power is not come here. If the power come, burn everything to essence. He is there powerful. So his way is inside. Inside in your hope, in the circle, all everything, all knowledge of the world as we are seeing. Whatever in the sky, so in the here, in the body. And body place is this one. And it is going and coming, door is here. This is door, go, come, go, come. That is we will understand all and everything. Gentlemen, you are all and everything. You are the Guru of the Guru. And you forget.
You are master of masters.
No doubt. And you know, you don't know about who was she. She come you to help this for this. She will agree with you. If the other girls go away, but she will never go away. Suppose that you enjoy the sexual course or not, but she will be with you always. She will make her life and your life. She come your helper. She is a young lady and you will help her. Understood? So this is automatically this thing. The God is in everybody. God is working. This is drama of the God. What is playing in you? It is God's place of all, everything.
Why he's playing all the time? Why we cannot go to him?
Why God make this drama? Why we don't go there?
So much
Why
suffering.
don't we merge in the God? Why we play here?
Suppose that why the people are play the drama here. In the picture, a lady is suppose that loving a boy and is talking sweet talk, and we people lookers on see that she will marry the boy, the man. She will marry like that, and she has a son. Her husband is playing the child is so. She had a husband, she has a child, and that is at home. So this is drama. She making drama, you like it. You don't like it. So it's the same way the God is making drama. Sometimes weeping, sometimes laughing, sometimes in problem, sometimes happy, sometimes a great man, sometimes a poor man, sometimes a healthy man, sometimes sick man. He himself, this is drama, all God's drama. At last I shall tell you that. At last day I shall tell you this is all drama of the God. This land is the playground of the God. And this land is a garden of the God, garden. Everything, something, this is very nice. So this God, the God has this drama, and this is the playground. So we are in the God in us, and this is a playground for us. We are coming for playing. All drama.
And we can escape if we follow the voice of God.
If we do the meditation, the discourse, can we go there? Can we merge?
After that you won't come you. You will peace, totally, 100% peace. For example is not go, the Sant is not given such an example, they are given some word, but I shall tell you direct. When you go in deep sleep, have anything happening in front of you, realize something, in deep sleep, have you any pain or trouble or problem? No. You reach there. That is the natural way. That God has given gift of man. Say daily he come and for some time in deep sleep, he come to me. And from there he get the power of the next day working and we work. In deep sleep, what you do? You forget all and everything. So same is in last time, when you mix with him, God, you have nothing to do. This is only the natural, and this is end. End means you are Kamai. This, let's step by step.